It is day 7 and I'm not going to do a lot. We had a lot of rain last night, so I know the mosquitoes are out and about this morning. So I just got a few things to do. I got a lot of work inside to do. But let me show you guys something. The honey came out here last night. There was a frog on the patio and he broke my roselle. Aww. I'm just noticing that this morning. But anyway, let me show you guys what I'm doing today. So I still gotta go pull up that basil. So I'll pull up the basil and dump some stuff in my compost bin, guys. So I'm gonna pull up the basil. I need to put some more spray on that zucchini plant because they already started attacking it. Look, rotten. Oh, man, that pisses me off. Anyway. Okay, I'm gonna pull up the basil this morning. I'm going to go in the greenhouse. This is what I'm doing. I gotta transplant a rosemary. I'm gonna put a couple of sage seeds in there. And I'm gonna transplant all of my kale into this one pot. I prepared that pot yesterday. So here, I put all the kale together so that I'll be ready. So we're gonna pull this kale out here and we're gonna put all 4, this is purple kale, and we're gonna put all 4 in the pot, and then we're gonna put a rosemary plant in the middle, and that's it for the day. So I'll do a screenshot when I'm done, and I hope all of this rain doesn't kill all my seedlings or drown my seedlings because I don't have plastic on my hoop house. I only have the mesh and the rain goes right through, so I hope everything will grow. So I'll be back. All I need to do is catch rainwater, all these containers. So my next investment will be a water barrel, but I got to pour the rainwater off. So that don't take but a hot minute. Okay, my chores are done for this morning. My water is filled. I put filter, it's just mesh over the water buckets to keep, bugs from getting in. I did spray out here. That's the first thing I do in the morning is I spray for slugs and things of that nature, my homemade garlic spray. And I got my basil rinse. I'll be hanging that to dry. Let's see. So I pulled up the basil. I did the kale. I transplanted 4 plants. I put in 2 marigolds and I put a rosemary plant in the middle. I didn't put any sage seeds in, and there is another kale called Premier that I have that I did not put in, so I'll find another pot and I'll do that at a later date. Got time, I hope. So that was my chores for the day. I will see you guys tomorrow, day 8. And for day 8, I already got my pot prepared. My bowl or whatever. I already got my grow pot prepared. I just pulled up some more marigolds and I just stuck them in there, but I'll see how many I'm gonna need. But that is it. I will see you guys tomorrow. I wish you love and light. A seed a day will give you a bountiful, let's say, fall harvest. And I'll see you tomorrow. Love and light.